Yes, this is another day. We want to run the tests of our systems. My name is Miko Simon. I am an instructor at Mumia West TVC. This is our workshop. This is where we do our practicals with our students. We train them and ensure that they are fit for the industry. They are ready for the job market. And I want one of the students to demonstrate whatever we did in this system. We had dismantled everything in this system, and our students are able to reassemble the system and function the way it should. In Mumia West, we are training Mechatronics level 6 and Mechatronic level 5. Level 6 is equivalent to a diploma, and level 5 is equivalent to a craft certificate. That is the new system that is being offered by the government of Kenya. It's known as CBET. So we are welcoming everybody on board to come and see what we do, to learn, and at least go and change the world through mechatronic systems. So today we are going to work on this system. It's known as an assembled mechatronic training device, and its type is DALFA DCD03, and it's a nice system that students can juggle around and come up with some nice programs to run the systems automatically. So today we are going to test the ability of one of our students. He's known as George, and George should welcome here and tell us what this system is about, tell us what he did, and tell us how it functions, and at least demonstrate it to see whether he got it right. Welcome, George.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm George Msazi, a trainee in Tech Mechatronics level 5. I'm going to take you through this unassembled mechatronic training device. Basically, it's used for sorting. I'll take you through all the devices here and all the materials which are here, and how I did it up to the last point. Thank you so much. I'll start with this part. This is a circuit breaker, and these are the connecting blocks. This is a relay switch, and here we have a PLC, a Mitsubishi FX3U32 PLC, and yes, FX3U32, and this part is called a power supply unit. It's used to change to It's basically used to change 240 AC to, it steps down to 24 volts. That is being used to this system. This system basically uses 24 volts power to run it. And we also have the sensors here. We have an inductive sensor, photoelectric sensor, and the capacitive sensor. And we have the solenoid valves. Yes, solenoid valves, and also we have a drive, a stepper drive motor, and we have the air service unit section. The air service unit section uses to just to clean the air that is being, the compressed air that is being used on this system. And here we also have the operating panel, which is used to operate this system. The operating, we have the reset, the stop, emergency stop, the reset button, the stop button, and the start button. And here we have the cylinders, which are used to control or to sort these materials which are here, which are being sensed, which are being ignited by these sensors here after the communication. Yes, I'll take you through how it works. And yes, before that, we used a program. I used a program that I came up with. The program takes a lot of time, so I'll just show you the program part. This program, I just made the set side and the reset ones, and also the sorting part. Yes, so this is the program. Yes, okay. So I'll show you how it works and how it sorts.
How do you load the program into the PLC?
Okay, we use this cable, programming cable. load the program.
Can you load it? Can you download it to our PLC we see? So the program is being downloaded into the PLC so that when you run our system, it functions the way it should. We shall see what it will give us. So let's wait. It takes a bit of some time. Yeah, correct. Complete.
Yes. Then I must turn it on to the run mode so that the program works well. I'll start with the metal part of it and the metal device material. Yes. So that is how the machine does the sorting. Yes.
Can you repeat the process again for them to see? You can see the system has sorted the components according to their color. We have silver, we have red, and then we have black. And they have all been placed in different bins as expected. So I think this program is working perfectly, and as the trainer, I approve the project and congratulate the student or the trainee for doing such a nice job. Congratulations, George, for doing such a nice job. So I think we shall be moving to the next machine. Thank you very much, George. For you, continue subscribing to our channel. It's known as the Engineers Hub. It's a nice channel for mechatronics and demonstrating so many projects from software programming to PLCs and many others. Thank you very much.